Donald Trump's massive £7.4 billion lawsuit against the BBC has been rocked by a new court bombshell. Fresh legal filings reveal that fewer than 300 potential US viewers are linked to the program at the centre of the US president's case. The revelation emerged in an updated version of Trump's lawsuit. According to testimony cited in the court documents, only 285 streams of the BBC program were connected to IP addresses that could have been based in the United States. Even that number may be misleading. The BBC says a US-linked IP address does not necessarily prove the viewer was physically in America, and some of the streams were traced through corporate internet systems linked to a cruise company headquartered in Florida. The timing has added to the controversy because the program was available online for about a year, meaning the 285 streams were spread across that entire period, not just the week before the 2024 election. Despite the tiny audience figure, Trump is still pursuing damages totaling £7.4 billion, or roughly $10 billion, claiming the BBC caused severe reputational harm. The latest filing marks a significant shift in Trump's legal strategy. His team has now dropped much of its emphasis on financial losses and is instead focusing on alleged personal reputational damage. The lawsuit concerns a Panorama episode that aired in the United Kingdom 1 week before the 2024 US presidential election. The program examined Trump's remarks at the January 6 Stop the Steal rally. The BBC has acknowledged that the editing of the introduction may have created the impression that certain Trump statements were spoken consecutively when they were not. However, the broadcaster denies that it fabricated any remarks. Trump has publicly suggested at times that artificial intelligence was used to alter his speech, but that allegation is not included in the lawsuit. The dispute centres on whether the program unfairly portrayed Trump's role in the events leading up to the Capitol attack. US congressional investigations and court proceedings have repeatedly examined his conduct surrounding January 6. Earlier, the judge handling the case indicated that if Trump continued claiming financial harm, he could be required to provide detailed records from hundreds of companies linked to him. His lawyers then submitted the revised complaint, focusing on reputational injury. So, the headline now is stark. Donald Trump is continuing a £7.4 billion lawsuit against the BBC, even after court filings showed that fewer than 300 potential US viewers were linked to the program at the heart of the case. The legal battle is now moving forward as a fight over reputation rather than financial loss.